Want to stream PC games to your smart TV? Here's how to step by step. First, make sure your PC and smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for smooth streaming. Second, on your PC, open Steam and go to Big Picture mode. This enables easy game streaming to external devices. Third, if your TV supports it, Steam Link app, download and install it from the TV's App Store. Fourth, open Steam Link on your TV and pair it with your PC by entering the code shown on the screen. Fifth, if your smart TV doesn't support Steam Link, use screen mirroring casting. On Windows 11, press Windows plus K, then select your TV. Sixth, for smoother performance, you can also use a wired HDMI connection from your PC to the TV for zero lag streaming. Seventh, connect a Bluetooth or wired controller directly to your TV or use a PC controller via Steam Remote Play. Finally, launch your game on the PC and it will now stream directly to your smart TV in real time. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.